All right, everybody. Welcome back. So today we are diving into something that honestly sounds like it's straight out of science fiction. But
It's real.
it is real, yeah. AI agents that can control computers, just like we can.
Like a human.
Yeah. Think about that for a sec. No more like APIs or pre-coded integrations. These things are learning to use the same tools that,
Oh, we
that
use?
we use. Our emails, our calendars, the works.
Exactly. And that's a huge leap forward.
It is. And we're going to unpack it all today in this deep dive into AI agents.
So, up to this point, we've seen AI that can understand our commands,
Mm.
like, hey, set a timer for 10 minutes, that kind of thing.
Right, right.
But this is different. This is AI that can actually act on those commands. Like, it can open up your email, find that attachment you need, and send it to your coworker.
And it's not just following some pre-programmed script, right?
Exactly. They're using techniques like reinforcement learning. It's basically trial and error. They try things out, see what works, and learn from their mistakes.
So they're actually learning how to use our digital world, like intuitively.
Pretty much. I mean, think about it. You don't need to teach a human how to use a new app, right? They just figure it out.
Yeah, exactly.
And these AI agents, they're starting to do the same thing.
So the source material that we're looking at today actually refers to this as endless automation possibilities.
Mm.
And honestly, after reading about it, I can see why.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, just imagine, like, you've got this AI agent that can handle your entire to-do list. It
Yeah.
can book your travel, schedule your meetings, even manage your finances.
Right. And all while you're focusing on the bigger picture stuff, like think about how much more productive we could all be.
Exactly. And not just personally. This could revolutionize businesses, too.
How so?
Well, imagine customer service that's handled entirely by AI agents.
204/7 availability.
Exactly. No more waiting on hold. And they could be trained on every single product and service the company offers.
So no more getting transferred from department to department.
No more.
Wow. And what about like more complex tasks? Could these agents handle things like data analysis or even coding?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, we're already seeing AI that can write code. And as these agents get more sophisticated, they'll be able to handle even more complex tasks.
So there's a lot of potential upside here. But I mean, there are always concerns with new technology, right?
Of course. I mean, the big one that always comes up is job displacement.
Right.
And it's a valid concern, but it's also important to remember that new technology always creates new jobs as well.
So it's not necessarily a loss, but a shift.
Exactly. And then there are concerns about safety and security. I mean, we're giving these AI agents access to a lot of sensitive information.
So we need to make sure that they're developed and deployed responsibly.
Absolutely. But it's still early days. I mean, this technology is just starting to emerge, and this deep dive is really about understanding the potential and the challenges that come with it.
So, listener, let's turn the tables here for a sec. Imagine you have an AI agent at your disposal. Right. It can control your computer just like you can. What would you have it do?
Yeah, think big. No limitations here.
Would you have it handle all your emails? Maybe even write your reports?
Or manage your social media. The possibilities are endless.
Really makes you think, doesn't it?
It does. And as we wrap up, I want to leave you with one final thought. If these AI agents can learn to use our tools so effectively, what does that tell us about how we use them? Could they actually teach us how to be more efficient, more creative, even more human in our interactions with technology? It's a question worth pondering, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. And on that note, we'll wrap up this deep dive. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
See you next time.